Hello, I'm Brent Blacklock, and I'm a CPA with TPP Certified Public Accountants in Overland Park, Kansas. And I wanted to talk with you briefly about just the importance of financial statements. And in my mind, there's two main kind of groups of reasons, if you will, why financial statements are really important. Financial statements are important for business owners to manage the business. You've probably heard that before, but what does that mean? Well, that could mean profitability. Sure, everyone likes to go right to the P&L and look at top line revenue, maybe a top line revenue increase, and then go right down to the bottom line if they didn't already go to the bottom line first to see, did we make any money or did we lose money? There's really a lot more than that. There's, for example, have profits and no cash in the bank. How could that be? Well, a lot of your profits could be trapped in you investing back in the business, you really investing in the accounts receivable of your customers. There are also financial statement reports that would show how much equity you have within the business, and it's important to understand the equity that the financial statements show, and then really the enterprise value or equity that your financial statements have. And there's some things that would affect that aren't on the financial statements. It's important to kind of understand how that relates to your business. Furthermore, if financial statement systems are set up properly on the profitability of a customer, the profitability of a service line, the profitability of a division, a key component. And why would that be important? Yeah, it's good information to know, but if there's certain areas of your business that are wildly profitable and there are others that aren't, even if they're making money, a business owner might take the time to invest more in that other area that's more profitable. I've definitely worked with a lot of business owners that have that good quality information that have actually decided to shut down profitable divisions because they weren't as profitable as the other. They were losing focus, having time sucked away. What is the second group of really reasons why financial statements are important to understand? And that is others relying on your financial statements. There could be lenders, there could be investors relying on those financial statements. So you want to, number one, have the confidence that your financial statements are accurate, that you didn't just hit the print button in QuickBooks and hand those financial statements off. In fact, I've talked to many a banker in town that can recognize the unmistakable QuickBooks font. It doesn't have to say printed by QuickBooks. They can tell from the font, default fonts in QuickBooks. And these bankers tell me that they've seen so many QuickBooks financial statements from people that weren't careful or that submitted financial statements with errors, that they automatically discount the value of those QuickBooks statements. So it's tip of the day is even if you're using QuickBooks to prepare the financial statements, drop them in Excel and change the font if you're confident that they're wildly accurate. But furthermore, you should probably work with somebody that can help give you the assurance that those financial statements are accurate and reasonable, and that you're presenting good information. If you present that information, sure, it could show something positive. It could also show something negative. If that positive thing really wasn't positive because of an error, even an unintentional error, that could get you in a little trouble later on down the road if lending or investing decisions were made by that. And then on the other side of that, if your financial statements are showing worse results than what the actual true performance of the business is, yeah, that can hurt you too, both from a lending and an investing standpoint. I hope you found this information helpful. We'd love for you to help get the word out about Brass. And if you would kindly help us like, subscribe, and share on YouTube, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.